Hi there. This video is for developers joining an existing dbt Cloud account. In this video, we are going to focus on getting you ready to develop in dbt Cloud by setting up your connections to Snowflake and GitHub. We assume that you or someone at your organization has already connected dbt Cloud to Snowflake and GitHub for the rest of the team. If that hasn't been done, please check out our videos for administrators for setting up. We also assume that you have ensured that you have access to Snowflake with the right permissions and GitHub with access to the right repository. Let's get started. First, make sure that you are logged into GitHub in one tab. Then log into dbt Cloud in another tab. Now we are going to connect your GitHub account to your dbt Cloud profile. This is required for using the GitHub integration with dbt Cloud. It will associate any code-based work that you do in dbt Cloud with your GitHub account. To do this, navigate to the profile settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down to linked accounts and click link. This will associate your dbt Cloud login with your GitHub account. If you would like, you can grant access to your personal repositories also. To do this, click on Configure Integration in GitHub. No need to do this now unless you want to tinker with dbt Cloud in your own repositories. Your dbt Cloud administrator should have already configured access to your organization's repository. That takes care of GitHub. Now let's turn our attention to Snowflake. Navigate to Credentials under your profile on the left of the screen. Choose the project that you want to access. You will likely only have one. You likely won't have anything on that pane. Now select Edit in the bottom right, but don't change anything under Connection Details. Scroll down to Development Credentials and enter your Snowflake username and password. For schema, we recommend entering dbt first initial last name, like dbt_jsmith, or in my case, dbt_ierickson. You can leave target name and threads in their default values, then click Save. Now let's jump into the IDE by clicking Develop in the top banner. This will bring you to the IDE where you can start developing. Our final step here is to make sure we can query Snowflake from dbt Cloud. Click the Create New File button in the center of the screen. This will open a new statement tab where you can execute arbitrary SQL code. I have pre-written this select statement to test the connection. Click on the Preview button, and you should be able to see the results from that query. There you go. You're all set to interact with GitHub for version control and manage transformation in Snowflake, all with dbt Cloud.